Hey guys, welcome back. There's little nobody in my house and I'm all alone in my house talking to you guys. If someone comes by my house and hears me talking, they're gonna be like, bro, who are you talking with? There's literally no one. They're gonna be amazed. Talking about alone, we're gonna talk about solitude and its superpower. When it comes to solitude, I am the other end of spectrum guy. I used to like a lot hanging out with people and going out and having fun, going malls with friends, and you know what I'm saying, right? But in recent times, from my mom's shoutings, she started saying that talk to people and start talking to people. Why are you not even talking to me, like to my mom? And I have noticed a lot of changes in me because there's literally two or three things that I do in a day. I get up, I have my morning coffee, I go for a workout, I come back, I do a vlog, I sleep. This is all that I do in a full day. So if you look at my day, I drink my morning coffee alone in my room, and then I go to my gym. I talk to myself. You guys know that I don't like talking to other guys in the gym, right? So I go to my gym, I talk to myself, how can I do the workout, how can I improve in it, how can I do it perfectly, and then I come back, again I start talking to myself, what can I do for a vlog, what can I talk about, then again I talk to you guys. I mean, literally in a day, the human reactions that I involve or make myself, talk to humans is very less, it's very less. Even to my mother, I mean, she literally stated that you are only talking to me at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is all that I'm doing. This has been happening for the past 20 days, and I have been totally, injected in that solitude itself, feeling the power of solitude itself. Well, everybody has to experience it right now, whether you like it or not, especially in this COVID times. But now I have changed to a guy where if you leave me alone in my room for a complete day, I'd be the happiest person ever. It is kind of different, and there's a lot of lifestyle changes in myself itself. This whole solitude thing has given me a lot of advantages and positive consequences for me. The whole year, that is the previous year of vlogging, and this 6 months or 8 months during this COVID, the amount of realization and experience that I've gained in this 6 months of solitude is greater than the whole 19 years experience of my life. Literally, being in solitude helps you to self-reflect a lot and know more about yourself. I have never been this productive in my life. I am more of a lazy guy, I like to do things, I like to keep things overdue. I'll just do it afterwards. And this whole solitude things has changed me to become more productive, to do it right now, to make the moment itself. It's as if I enjoy everything that I do in a day at an extra rate of 10%. I mean, when I'm drinking coffee, I literally feel so grateful and I feel so happy. When I go to the gym, I feel so exciting and it's more fun. When I come back, again I am alone. Again I enjoy planning the vlog, shooting the vlog, editing the vlog, uploading the vlog. I enjoy everything at an extra rate of 10%, to make it more fun. What I'm trying to say is, the big picture is less people, less bullshit, right? I am the only person here in my life, who is concerned and who is enjoying. So there's literally no one, even my mom, disturbing me or concerning me in some way. I look up to people to help me in what I'm doing because I think that I can't do it independently, or I need some help or someone to do it for me. But never in my life I have been so independent and not been depending on a single person in order to make my day more fun or more enjoyable or more productive. I don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing, but solitude is really superpower when you really get the feel of it, get the most out of it. And my mom has been crazy that at least start talking to me. You're only talking to me when at breakfast, lunch and dinner, and She's been so mad at me, but I'm trying to change it. But it is really an addiction, and it is really a superpower when you live in your own bubble and there's no one poking your bubble. You don't go out of your bubble, you just live inside your bubble. You just enjoy your life. What do you guys think? Is it a good thing that I'm doing, or is it a bad thing? I just don't know, but I know for a fact that I'm enjoying life, being in solitude, being alone, doing things in my own way. No one, judging me or telling me what should I do. It's all me and only me and just me.